We're here with our 1980 Drascombe Lugger ONKAHYE. Some of the rigging we've done in the last few days. The top of the mast, we put in this little dummy cord, this little keeper. It's going to hold these swage eyes down when we put the mast up. Mast rides around the boat. Sometimes those eyes get flipped up above the top of the mast collar. And if you don't check them, once the mast gets raised, they're out of position. So that little 3mm cord will help keep them down where they're supposed to be. Here's the sheave at the top for the halyard. This is the, we're looking at the front part of the mast. That tang in the center there is for the jib, with the furler at the top and the little adjustment piece there. Here's the top of the gaff arm. It slides up and down towards faces on it, or it's on the aft side of the mast. It sits inside these two shrouds. And this halyard runs down in between the mast and this gaff arm. Ties off at these little triangle pieces. I call them chocks. Maybe they're called something else. There's one on either side. Right below that piece is a little set of Parrel beads as a keeper. This keeps this gaff arm close to this mast. Over the years, Captain Jack has set it up so there's a quick disconnect here in case you need to get under a bridge or take that off. It's real quick to just undo this little barrel tab there, get everything good and gone. So we just finished adding new beads here. That's the mizzen over there. And we'll go down here to the, here's the boom jaw at the bottom of the gaff. Put on new Parrel beads there. And then along the luff of the sail, about every lugger eyelet. Put on 3 more sets of Parrel beads. One of the key things on this lugger is when you're rigging it, your race is going to step this mast down into the mast foot down there. Which, while we're here, take a look. Got our dime at the base of the mast. Is you want to pull all these up so that when you're stepping that foot of that mast down there, you want all these beads in this arm on the top side of this mast thwart. If you get them below, when you go to raise the gaff, they're all going to bang on the bottom of it, and you're going to spend 10 minutes unrigging everything so you can loosen it and get it clear. So that's our 1980 Drascombe Lugger ONKAHYE. There's a peek at the oars. And that's what we're playing with today. Hope y'all have a great day.